Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to boost your microphone volume in Windows 10. This is a quick and easy fix that can make your voice sound louder in recording or any voice call. So if you are having trouble with your microphone volume or you just want to make sure your voice is heard loud and clear, then this video is for you. So let's get started. To adjust your microphone settings, right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar and select Sound. In the Recording tab, you will find your connected microphone listed. Here I have one external mic, so right-click on it and choose Properties. And here you will find several options that affects your microphone performance. First, click on the Level tab. You can now adjust the microphone volume level by moving the slider. Okay, so but wait. Before you max it out, be mindful of potential distortion. Okay, a good rule of thumb is to set the volume around 70 to 80% and test it out. Okay, if needed, you can fine tune it later. You can also find there is an options called microphone boost. These features can amplify your microphone input, but again be cautious as it may also amplify background noise. Okay, finally click on OK. Then again click on OK. So that's it. By following this step, you can significantly boost your microphone volume on Windows 10 and produce high quality audio content. We hope this tutorial helped you improve your microphone volume. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorial and tips. If you have any questions or additional tips on boosting microphone volume, please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.